on üks mees, kes tegi diivad.
Everywhere, fruits and herrings, dykes and ferries, tell me where it's empty.
Minu väga hea sõber, mentor, tiimikaaslane, abiline, vahel mehaanik, mina enda mehaanik, ütleb alati, et tuleb sõita külg ees ja joonte vahel. Ühesõnaga, võistluse laiep, ma olen rahul selle autoga. Aitäh oma toetajatele, Pitsapoisid, Millers Oil, Talmak Tehnika, Fotomeister Plus, Väänagaraas, kes värvis auto ära, Usparts, kes andis vajalikud varuosad. Selles suhtes, et tubli ratsu oli mul. Ma olen rahul sellega. Nii et, aitäh! No tere, me oleme Pärnus, Summer Bash 2019. Kui sa arvad, et sa ilma revansita jääd, siis sellega ma ei lepi. Kartulid läksin korjama. Tegelikult ma läksin oma tagaliist, et Ott ütles ennem, et vaata, kui sa aega saadad, mina otsi tagaliist ka ülesse. No ma läksin, ma ei leidnud. What you gonna do? Sander Veits ja seekord on nii. 1-0 tema kasuks. Järgmine kord võtan revansi. Lõpuks soovitan tunda seda street klassist ülemineku mõnu.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
See you again.
We've come a long way,
Came a long way.
from where we began.
You know we started.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Let me tell you.
When I see you again.
First you go watch your
I'm
way.
feeling very well, track was good, everything was good, but as my good WRC drivers, when the rock kept up to Timo Sass, everything went wrong.